Hi, this is Tim Rosansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over a drying fan placement guide for effective water damage restoration. Proper drying is crucial to prevent mold and structural damage after water intrusion. Whether from a leak, flood, or fire suppression, using fans strategically can speed up drying and reduce affected areas. Assess the affected area. Measure the square footage of the impacted space. Focus on high moisture areas like bathrooms, basements, and around sinks or toilets. Calculate air volume needs. Use this formula. CFM equals square footage times ceiling height times air changes per hour. Example, a 200 square foot room with an 8-foot ceiling needing 6 air changes per hour, ACH, requires 9,600 CFM for proper drying. Optimal fan placement. Corners and high points. Enhance circulation in damp areas. Near moisture surfaces. Target leaks, flooded areas, and wet walls. Cross ventilation. Position fans on opposite walls to improve airflow. Use dehumidifiers for maximum effectiveness. Fans move wet air, dehumidifiers extract moisture. A 300 square foot damp basement may require a 30 to 50 pint a day dehumidifier. Sample drying plan for a 300 square foot basement. Fan 1, northeast corner near damp wall. Fan 2, southeast corner for cross ventilation. Dehumidifier, central placement for balanced moisture removal. Small fans, direct airflow to toilet and sink areas. Monitor and adjust for best results by using hydrometers to track humidity levels. Adjust fan placement as drying progresses to maintain efficiency. Final step, clean and sanitize. Once dry, disinfect affected areas to eliminate mold and bacteria. A clean and sanitized home prevents long-term health hazards. To conclude, to protect your home from mold and water damage, proper fan placement and dehumidification are key to effective water damage restoration. By strategically managing airflow and moisture control, you can restore your property quickly and safely. If you have any questions, please call us at PDQ Restoration.